Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We're back for another video for Hotel Room Tour 2021. So we are here in Atlantic City, New Jersey at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, right here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Let's take a look at the room. Right here, we got our security. Right here, Deadpool. Light. Bathroom occupied as usual. Closet. Closet right here. Right here, we have our mini fridge. There's a little lip bar area with a light up there, light there. This bathroom door is kind of cool because it retracts. You slide it. We got the mini fridge there. Right here, that's where all the clothes are at. Right here is a 55-inch TV, Samsung. Right here is a room with 2 beds, okay? Got a little dresser here. Cool lamp with some backlighting here. Some outlets, USBs. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Right here is our desk with a lamp. More USBs and outlets. Right here we have central heat and AC thermostat for that. Right here we have a couch. Right here we have pull down shades where I'm pointing, blackout curtains. Things to note about this hotel. Well, one more thing. Here's our view of the boardwalk and the ocean. Things to note about the hotel. This is our second room. When we checked in to this hotel, this is our last day here, but when we first checked in, at 4 o'clock, we did some gambling, we went to bed. We started feeling itchy. I felt bite. I think it's bed bugs. They didn't find anything. The hotel housekeeper, director of housekeeping security came up. He treated it like a police investigation, which was weird. He took a picture of my back, asked for my IDs, and all. So at the end of the story, he moved us to a different room. And this is the room that we are in now, and this room is a lot better. So, wasn't happy that I had to move at 4 o'clock in the morning, but this room seemed, I didn't feel like I was getting bit, so I didn't feel itchy in this room. So the casino's nice, staff is good, mostly except for the bellhop that took our bags. He wasn't that cool, but everything's close to the boardwalk. All the casinos, Caesars Palace. Tropicana's a little bit of a walk, but it's doable. Right here's our room service menu. If you're interested in that, take a look at their prices. And for all you guys who are wondering that are concerned about COVID out there, every casino or hotel you walk into, they take your temperature. They have this thing that you just stand in front of the camera, and they'll tell your temperature until you're good, or you'll have a security guard use a laser one. So, will I recommend this hotel? Maybe. So, anyway, that's it for KW Hotel Tours, KWL.